Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a complete and beginner-friendly guide on how to create a Shadowsocks server using an SSH Tunnel platform and then use it securely on the Shadowrocket VPN app. This method is fast, reliable, and works perfectly for private and secure internet access. Make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's start by downloading the VPN client. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Shadowrocket VPN. From the search results, install the app and wait for it to finish downloading. Once installed, open the app and allow any permissions if prompted. You can now minimize the app because we will first create the server. Next, we need to create a Shadowsocks server. Open any browser on your mobile or laptop, such as Chrome or Firefox. In the search bar, type SSH Tunnel and open the official website that provides tunneling services. On the homepage, log in using your Google account. This step is necessary so you can generate your own server. After logging in, go to the server creation section. You will see different regions such as Asia, Europe, America, and Africa. Choose the region closest to your country for better speed and stability. In this tutorial, I am selecting the Asia region. From the available locations, select a server such as UAE or Singapore. Choosing a nearby server helps reduce latency and improves performance. Once you select the server location, you will be redirected to an account creation form. Wait a few seconds for security verification, then enter a username and password. This account will be used to generate your Shadowsocks server. Click on Submit and wait for the server to be created. Within a few seconds, your server details will appear. Scroll down to find the Shadowsocks configuration. Carefully copy the full configuration to your clipboard. This is the key part that we will import into Shadowrocket. Now go back to your home screen and open the Shadowrocket VPN app. On the top of the screen, tap the plus icon to add a new server. From the menu, select the option to import from clipboard. Shadowrocket will automatically detect and import the Shadowsocks configuration. If you want to customize the settings, tap the edit or pencil icon. Here you can adjust options like encryption method, server address, port, or plugin settings if required. If you are a beginner, you can leave everything as default. Save the configuration and return to the main screen. Finally, tap the Connect button to start the VPN. Allow the VPN permission when prompted. Once connected, you can enjoy fast, secure, and private browsing using your own Shadowsocks server. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who may find it useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.